Obtain grace from God. Wake up in the night when others are snoring, for God's sake, for the sake of your destiny. If it is power with God you desire, wake up in the night and pray. Don't pray just to ease guilt. Don't just pray to show people you are prayerful. No, pray. Something happens to you as you pray. There is an activation that happens as you pray. You see, what you see today is a cumulative of many years of consistency in prayer. It's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 year, it's not 10 years, it's not 15 years. It's a cumulative. Every time you go to pray, see yourself signing a register in the spirit. Joshua Selman, present your majesty, I'm here. No one is seeing you. Tomorrow again, Joshua Selman, present, obtaining grace from you as my commitment. I want to be such a host of your grace. Joshua Selman, next week, present, sir. Joshua Selman, present, sir. Your voice is known in the realm of the spirit. As you shout that present, demons are hearing too. As you are shouting present, principalities are hearing. When you stand before men, you are not pretending. One shout, they know it's a familiar voice. They know the sound of that voice, and they know the power that that voice carries.